Welcome to Tucson. Believe me, this place is not like any other college town around.
And it's so much more than a college town. We'll show you exactly why we love to call it home.
Let's go. Just about a 2-hour drive south of Arizona's state capital, Phoenix, is Tucson, Arizona. Around 1 million people call it home.
Arizona's oldest city has a rich and fascinating history.
And located in the heart of the Sonoran Desert, Tucson offers more than 300 days of sunshine a year. When I first got here, I was blown away by the sunsets and the mountains. The scenery never gets old. My favorite pretty study spot is ENR2, located right on campus. But on weekends, I'm out exploring Mission Garden or hiking surrounded by giant cacti. Where else can you find that?
And if you want even more adventure, check this out. I grew up here, but I still find new spots. Sabino Canyon is perfect for a quick hike, or take a little more time to reach Seven Falls. Catalina State Park has biking trails I take with my friends. And in the winter, we go up to Mount Lemmon to go sledding, then camping in the summer. Total change of scenery just 1 hour away.
And stargazing, you can see the whole galaxy out here.
What surprised me most about Tucson is how friendly everybody is. You walk into a coffee shop and people actually say hi. Some of my favorite hangouts are the restaurants and coffee shops on University Boulevard, or the farmers market at Rito Park. That's where Tucson feels like a community. And yes, I'm low-key obsessed with Tucson's coffee shops, whether I'm studying or just hanging with friends.
Tucson's vibe is definitely vibrant. Downtown is covered in murals. Then you've got festivals like the All Souls Procession and the Dusk Music Festival with lots of people, art, music, and food. It's unreal.
One of my favorites is Tucson Meet Yourself. It's like a giant block party that celebrates food and culture from all over the world.
And only in Tucson can you spend a morning at the Desert Museum or Biosphere 2, then be downtown that same night for live music. It's never boring here.
Scenic.
Friendly.
Vibrant.